If you are looking for a reliable live translation tool for meetings, webinars, or events, you have probably come across JotMe and Akkadu. Both promise real time translation, but which one actually delivers better results? In this video, I'll compare features, accuracy, ease of use, pricing, and best use cases so you can decide which one is right for you. What is JotMe? JotMe is a live AI translation platform designed mainly for meetings and virtual events. It provides real time subtitles, multi language translation, integrations with tools like Zoom or browser based meetings. It's built for simplicity, so even beginners can start using it quickly. What is Akkadu? Akkadu is a more advanced live translation platform, often used for large conferences and professional events. It offers AI powered real time translation, support for humor interpreters, broadcast level audio translation. So while JotMe is more casual and simple, Akkadu is designed for professional, high quality translation setups. Key features comparison. Translation accuracy. JotMe good for everyday conversations and meetings. Akkadu more accurate, especially in complex for formal discussions. Language support. Both support multiple languages. Akkadu usually supports more languages and dialects. Real-time performance. JotMe fast and smooth for small to medium meetings. Akkadu more stable for large-scale events with many participants. Extra features. JotMe focuses on subtitles and simplicity. Akkadu offers voice translation, interpreter support, and streaming options. Ease of use. JotMe is clearly the winner here. Simple interface, quick setup, no technical experience needed. Akkadu, on the other hand, more powerful but requires setup and sometimes technical knowledge. So if you want something plug and play, JotMe is better. Pricing. Pricing can vary depending on usage, but generally, JotMe is more affordable and accessible for individuals or small teams. Akkadu is more expensive and aimed at businesses or large events, so your budget plays a big role here. Best use cases. Choose JotMe if you are hosting small meetings, if you want quick setup, if you need basic live subtitles. Choose Akkadu if you are running conferences or large events, and if you need high accuracy, and if you want professional level translation with interpreters. Final verdict. There is no one size fits all winner here. JotMe is best for simplicity, affordability, and everyday use. Akkadu is better for professional environments and large scale events. So the right choice depends on your needs. And that is it for today's comparison. If you found this helpful and useful, please do not forget to support us with like and subscribe. Turn on the bell icon to get all the news about such programs or softwares. Let me know down below in the comments which one will you go for and why. JotMe or Akkadu. Share this video to your friend who wants to be an interpreter. Thank you for watching and see you in a new video.